Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Walt Disney World and Disneyland. Yes, both. Before we begin, we ask you to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This will help the video to reach out more viewers like you. Also, if you're new here or like content, we consider you to subscribe and ring that notification for more content like this. Thank you. Okay, new rules about fast passes. Yes, fast passes. You don't have to get Genie Plus for Wayne for fast passes. So no Genie Plus. And hold on. And once the pass has offered has charged. So you're still I believe you're still making you you still have to you have to get fast passes. It's going to start July 24th. This is at Orlando. I am unsure about Disneyland, so bear with me. Um, you can make multiple fast passes or a single pass. Yes. Once again, no Genie Plus. And let me go click the link to see the blog. Okay. The days leading up to Walt Disney World and Disneyland. Okay. Excited. Blah blah blah. Make line part plans. Okay. So you choose your own experience. So like you choose what days, what time for your fast passes. So let's say if you want to do a 10 o'clock window, you can do it, and yeah, and you could book multiple vacation days in a single day. Yeah, cool. Share this video to someone who needs to know about this, and thank you for watching.